In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Brevo. We'll start right from the dashboard after you log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see a main menu. Look for the section labeled Marketing and click it to expand the options. Under Marketing, select Forms. This will open the Forms area where you can manage any existing forms and create new ones. At the top right of this page, click the button that says Create Sign-up Form. Brevo will now ask you what kind of form you want to create. You can choose between a full page or embedded form or a pop-up form. Pick whichever fits your needs. In this walkthrough, we'll use the full page or embedded option, which is great for adding directly to a website. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, then click Create Form. You're now taken to the form editor. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your form. On the left side, there's a panel with two main tabs. In the Build tab, you'll find all the blocks and fields you can add to your form, like text fields, checkboxes, or additional text. You can drag and drop these elements into the form preview. The Form Design tab lets you customize the look and feel of your form. Here you can adjust text styles, writing direction, background colors or images, the container layout, button styling, alert messages, and spacing. Take a moment to experiment so the form matches your brand. Whenever you click on a specific block in the form preview, a properties panel for that block appears on the left. This is where you can fine-tune that individual element, such as changing its label, placeholder text, or making it required. You'll also see small icons on the selected block that let you quickly duplicate it or remove it if you no longer need it. Once you're happy with the design and layout, click Next. Brevo will now ask you to choose the contact list where new signups from this form will be saved. Select the relevant list or create a new one if needed. On the next step, you'll manage how a signup is confirmed after someone submits the form. You can choose to display an on-page confirmation message and decide whether to send confirmation emails. Brevo gives you three options: a double confirmation email, a simple confirmation email, or no confirmation email. Double confirmation is often recommended for building a clean, high-quality list. When you've chosen what works best for you, click Next. Now you'll customize the messages that appear in different scenarios. A success message when everything goes well, an invalid user information message, an error message for unexpected issues, and an empty field message to prompt users to complete required fields. Clear, friendly messages can really improve the user experience. When you're done, click Next. Finally, you'll see the options for sharing your form. Brevo provides a quick share link, a QR code, and different embed options like iframe, HTML, and simple HTML. Choose the method that best matches how you plan to publish your form, copy the relevant code or link, and add it to your website or marketing channels. And that's it. You've created a complete sign-up form in Brevo, customized its design, set up confirmation behavior, and learned how to share it with your audience.